Bow tie's cool. Hey everybody, it's Cosplay Tavo. Hope you had a fantastic week. I know I have, and welcome to part 1 of the Ash Ketchum. I almost said Ezra Miller. Oh my gosh, really? I still love that cosplay, but this is the best cosplay of 2018 I'm doing. Ash Ketchum OG Veronica Taylor cosplay. Victoria Taylor. Veronica. Oh god, I'm messing up her name. I'm sorry if you're watching this, but we are doing the original Ash Ketchum cosplay. I am so stoked and super excited to start working on this. Before we start, let's go flash speed and add a second. I want you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Why? Because it will give you an update every time I post a video, and trust me, I'm posting videos 2 times a week for you guys, and what a way to kick it off, and it's the Ash cosplay. I'm super excited, because why? Because she is coming to Indiana Comic Con 2017 at the Indianapolis Convention Center of Indiana. I am super stoked. We're possibly going. I'm debating on it, but she's going, and I really want to make the cosplay. Why? I love Pokemon. I used to watch it on VHS. I used to watch it on Cartoon Network, 4Kids, WB, all that fun stuff. Seriously, this is an amazing cosplay. This is one I always wanted to do, and I can't wait to start working on it. Because seriously, this is just an amazing cosplay. And it's clothes. Like I said, clothes is like the easiest cosplay you can do. It's basically assembling all of it to make this cosplay. But we're actually going to be doing some work. We actually are going to be making some of the cosplay. Due to the fact is, we're kind of reeling in some cosplay but cheaper. We're going to try to make the suit ourselves. And one thing, the jacket. This is going to be a 4-part series, like I said. It's going to be a 4-part series showing you guys how to make it, how much it's going to cost, and what you guys need, the materials, all that fun stuff to make this awesome cosplay. So let's start with the basics. You're going to need fabrics. Yes, these wonderful fabrics. I got these at Hobby Lobby. It was basically $5. Like I said, Hobby Lobby app, use 40% off. Basically, you get a good deal on this. I basically paid $5 for basically this cosplay, and that's you really don't need that much, but you're gonna need it worthwhile for this, and I'll show you in the video why. Also, jacket. I'm gonna explain where I got the jacket at, and it basically looks like the Ash cosplay. It's like a spot on jacket. So I can't wait for you guys to start seeing it. And like I said, we're gonna work on this. It's gonna be amazing, and you guys are gonna be along for the ride. So enough talk, enough jazz. Let's get to this video. Okay, so let's start with the jacket now. I purchased this jacket from a thrift store. It's $1.50. Yes, we're converting cosplay for cheap in this video. And one thing, you want to have a photo for reference, just to make sure you're doing it right and it looks exactly like the cosplay. So what we're going to do for this is take off the sleeves, not all of it because we're going to sew it inside, like this. Now I know like I said, I didn't cut it off all the way, but what we're going to do is just bring it in and then sew it. So we have that sleeveless look, and then we'll apply the white fabric on later. Okay, so we sewed it in, it looks great. You want to keep a little extra out so you can have some support when you're applying the white fabric onto the sleeves, and looks pretty good. Now we just gotta add the yellow to the bottom and to the pockets. Now we're gonna apply the yellow fabric, which I got from Hobby Lobby, like I said. 40% off one item, and they usually have good deals there for fabrics. Now what we're going to do is place the fabric on the bottom and place the jacket on the top, because we need to find out the width and the waist of the jacket. So what we're going to do is place it under, and what you're going to do is pull it out a little bit so you can put some of the fabric inside, so we have a nice decent looking waistline. And now that we know how much width it's going to be, we're going to use some scissors to cut the waist. Now that we cut the waist, now we can begin sewing. But first we're going to do the pocket size, because that's going to be the shortest part of basically both of them. So let's get to it. Okay, now you can see one pocket is done. Look at that. and a little extra on the back, but you know what, it's alright. But like I said, you want to take your time on these, and if there's extra string, you're just going to cut that off when you're done sewing it into place. I'm already starting on the second one, and like I said, just take your time with this. Each stitch counts. It always does count, and like I said, this is a great example of how it should look. There's always a little extra fabric on the back because you want to make sure, but we're just going to use some scissors. That's why I feel like it's not going to be a zombie tiger on the show, because one, you're not dead, confirmed, and two, I feel like it's really impractical because we haven't seen any other zombie animals. And oh, hey everybody, hi. I hope you guys enjoyed the part 1 of the Ash OG cosplay. I know the little short we just learned about the assembling all of it, but don't worry, part 2, which is coming out this Tuesday, we're gonna finish the jacket, and it's gonna look awesome and amazing. And plus, we're gonna assemble most of the stuff. I feel like I'm gonna be doing maybe this will be a 4-part cosplay just to make this, because I feel like we need to assemble everything before I show the final presentation of it. So it's gonna be 4 parts to this. Part 2 is coming out this Tuesday, and next Friday, we're gonna be doing Geek Story Time. As commented by the comment section below, we are going to be doing a Geek Story Time, and I can't wait. If you guys have an idea for a Geek Story Time, tell me in the comment section below this video, and I'll be happy to do it. Yeah. And also, comment below. Tell me, guys, what do you guys think of this cosplay, and are you guys doing it? Let's talk in the comment section below. I love talking to you guys. It's really a fun time. Sometimes I actually forget to comment, so I do apologize, but I do my best to get your answers and all that fun jazz. So stay tuned for more. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. It really does help out my channel. Give this video a like. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and tell me, do you cosplay? You will? Like I said, or not. I mean, it's your choice, but I mean, Ash is pretty cool, so